Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of paying for a dozen different streaming services every single month and you still can't find the one movie or show you actually want to watch? There's a free app for your Firestick that opens the door to the ultimate streaming library, and today I'm going to show you the fastest way, easiest way to install it in just a few minutes. Stick with me till the end as I will reveal a secret code to get you started. So let's dive in. To complete this setup, we will require the downloader application. So move across to find, drop down to search, hit the select button, and you just have to enter in D for downloader. Once it appears in the list, you can select it. This is the application we're after. Click again and click one more time to start the download. Okay, before we open it, we will need to amend a setting. So if we click the menu button, move all the way across to settings and select My Fire TV. Here we will need to select this menu option, developer options. If you do not see this, just highlight about and click, and then click the select button 5 to 6 times, and then you will see the option at the bottom. Now you are a developer. So once downloader is installed and set up, we will go to our apps library and open it up, and I'll double click to enter in the code, which is 234753. Then we hit go, then we'll click install and done. Then we will click delete as the installation files are no longer required, and that's it. The application is now installed. Now before we open up the application, we just need to activate our VPN to stay protected and safe online. If you do not have a VPN, I recommend IPVanish. There are links in the pinned comment and description for a substantial discount. Let's open up IPVanish. I'll just click connect. Okay, so now that's connected. I'll click the menu button to go back to the application library and open up our secret app. Now to activate this app, you'll have to enter in code for the library, which is, then click next and click enter, and this is all the applications that you have access to. There will be other libraries that you can add. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If this has helped you out, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.